Hey guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to make money using ChatGPT and AI and YouTube. This method does not require you to show your face and it's easy to do. We'll show you step by step how this is done, starting with an overview of the process. So on here, process is essentially a three-step process. Starting with the script, we're going to be using ChatGPT. Then I'll be showing a tool to generate the videos. And then at the end, I will show you the different ways that we can make money using these videos. So let's go ahead and get started with ChatGPT. So on here on ChatGPT, what you're going to do first is find out your niche. I suggest that you pick a niche that you're really interested in because you would know the ins and out of that niche, the trends that are in there, and you're going to provide better videos. So let's say I love books. I will pick the book niche. So in here, I'm asking suggest niches that are high in demand in the book space. So he sees generating ideas, personal development. I really like that. So let's copy this and then say generate video ideas in that niche. So we'll see now here, it's going to generate some ideas. Its process is pretty simple. You just ask it to find a niche, ask it to generate ideas and videos for that niche, and then finally you generate the script. So you just say generate. This is insane how easy this process is. ChatGPT just makes the process a whole lot easier. At the end, what you're going to do is copy this whole thing that it gives you, generates, and then you're going to move on to the next tool that is essentially going to generate the videos for you. So on here on Pictory, what we're going to do is generate the videos. And what Pictory is essentially this really amazing tool that allows you to generate a whole video that is already cut, already has subtitles, already has the images, the videos, everything. Literally just input the text and it's going to generate the video for you. So first you have to create an account. So I'm already logged in. So what are you going to do? You're going to see this page, you're going to look for script to video and click on proceed. And here you're going to paste the script that ChatGPT generated for you. And then what you're going to do is click on proceed. On here, what you're going to do is look for the way your subtitles will be presented. And you can pick the size as well. This size is for shorts. And then we have here for YouTube videos. I'll be making a video right now. And you can see it's going to generate the video. It's going to take a minute or two. So on here, as you can see, it turned our script into scenes, and for each scene, it made videos and added subtitles for each. And you can see it has a voiceover as well. You know, hear a voice.
Sharing some of the habits and practices that highly successful people use to achieve their goals.
So yeah, it added voiceover as well. So it did all the work for us. And all we need to do now is just download it. Now to how to make money from these videos. So on here, the most popular way, which is using YouTube monetization. Essentially just upload the video, wait for YouTube to monetize your videos. After 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, just know that your revenue going to depend on the niche that you are in. So finance niche get paid more than a vlog type of niche or books niche. So be aware of that. The second way, using email marketing. I don't see many people talk about email marketing, but it's a great tool. Essentially collect emails of a certain niche of people and then eventually send them affiliate links like the book. So every month a new book comes out, it'll be like, I suggest this book for you, and then you add an affiliate link with it. Or you can give them merchandise that is of the same niche. So you find products that are trending in these niches and then you suggest it to them. So the idea is just to capture a group of people that are super interested in a certain niche, and then you over time sell them certain products. Your link, affiliate link, or you can sell them merchandise that is related to their niche. So yeah, this is the whole process. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more videos like this, and let me know down in the comments if you need any type of help. Try my best to help, and yeah, take care.